Okay, before we begin with the instructions of the software, I wanted to tell you how you can get your unlock key for the software. So it's inside the folder you downloaded, and it's in this PDF file. Please open this PDF file first and follow the instructions inside in order to receive your unlock code. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so I wanted to make this short instructional video to go over all the functions of the software. So this is the software layout. As you can see, it's really simple software, really straightforward. So the first thing you have to do is load the keywords to the software. So you go to Google Keyword Tool and you type in your seed keyword. We're going to use sandals again and hit search. You have to be signed in to get better results. Okay, then you have to make sure that the approximate cost per click column is checked, and to get more accurate results, do an exact match type search. Okay, now that we have our keywords, we just sort them out by search volume. We're going to select just 50 keywords for this demo video, and then you have to download them. So you go download, select it, and then you choose CSV format, not CSV for Excel, only CSV, and hit download. Okay, now that my file is on my computer, I will go back to the software. I will browse to the location where I saved it and hit open here. Okay, now the first part of doing the analysis is done. We have our keywords all loaded up in our software. Okay, then you just hit start, and that will start the analyzing process. Okay, so let's go over each column. This one is your keyword, this one is your searches per month, exact match type, this one is your cost per click, here is the number of competing pages when you type your keyword in quotes into Google. This one here is the real number of competing pages. I'll explain exactly what this is inside the bonus report you got with this software. And this is a more accurate competition number. This here is your competing pages strength, and is based on the real number of competing pages. This one here is the average page rank of the top 10 sites on Google. So the software goes out and averages out the top 10 sites and gives you an average. And this one here is the PR strength, and is based on the average page rank. And here is the competition, the overall competition rating. Here the software takes this value here, the competing pages strength, and the page rank strength, and gives it a rating based on that. This one here is the commercial intent. This here just tells you if the keyword has commercial intent or not. And this is the ad count. This is the number of ads showing up on the first page of Google. So this will tell you if the keyword, if there's people making money with this keyword, because if they are spending money, then they're making money for sure. And here is the overall keyword rating. Here the software, what it does is it takes if the keyword has commercial intent or not, and this rating here, and with those parameters, it gives the keyword a rating. This can be bad, terrible, good, amazing, and great. So as you see, the software is already giving us back some results. A cool thing with the software is that you can stop the analyzing process at any time. It will stop once it's finished analyzing the keyword it was in, and you can save the project and come back to it later. We're gonna do it now. So let's say I have something to do, so I want to save this project and start with it later. So I will save project, I will put a name on it, sandals. Click OK. Okay, then you can clear the list out and you can populate it again and start analyzing again. It will pick up where it left out. So what I'm gonna do now is pause the video and let the software analyze the whole list so we can move on with the training. Okay, so now that the software has gone out and analyzed all the keywords, you can export all this data into a CSV file, so you can add filters and manipulate the data in order to dig out the golden keywords. The software allows you to do this. You have to go here and click export to CSV. I will name this file sandal CSV and save it to my computer. Now I just go to the location where it was saved, and here's the data. All the data from the software is now in Excel, in an Excel spreadsheet, easier to manipulate. So here you just add filters, and I just want to see the amazing keyword, so I just hit amazing. I just filter out all of this and I just want to see amazing keywords. You see, here are the amazing keywords. Then you just go out and do a little bit of more further investigation on these keywords and you pick a winner. Here's like Chaco sandal sale. That's a buyer keyword and it has a very low competition. Okay, so another cool thing of the software is that it allows you to use proxies. Some people are familiar and like working with proxies, so I added the feature so that you can add a list of proxies. So to do that, well, let's clear out this list here and open it up again, but without the analyzing data. You just hit proxies here and this window pops up, and to add the proxies you just hit add, and I have this list of private level 1 proxies here, and that's a recommendation I will give you. Always make sure that you have only level 1 proxies. If you use public proxies, they're most likely not going to work and you're going to get bad data from the software. So if you're going to add proxies, make sure that you have a list of private proxies and make sure that they are level 1 or level 2 proxies so the software works properly. So now that I pasted in my proxies here, I just hit OK and hit close and hit start analyzing. The software will confirm with you and tell you that there are proxies, that you have proxies in your proxy list, and if you want to work with them. So you just say yes, and this way the software is a little bit faster analyzing, and it gives you the same results, but it's a little bit faster. So those are all the functions of the software. As you can see, it's a really simple software. The powerful thing about this software is the information it provides you. Information so that you can with all confidence go after a keyword and know that keyword will make you money. If you have any questions, you can contact me through my website. I will add all my contact information in a text file inside the folder you download with this program. And now let's see all the new features added to version 2.1. All the features I added to version 2.1 of Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer are based on user feedback, so I know you are really going to enjoy them. And there are 5 new features. The first one is that you have the ability to choose between to load up the global monthly searches or the local monthly searches. Before, the software only load up the global. Now you can choose between global or local, and that was a very popular user request, so there it is. The next one is that now there is a short description when you hover over each column header. This just reminds you what each column is all about. The next really exciting feature I added now you have the ability to choose a country-specific Google to make your competition analysis. So as you see, when you choose South Africa, it appears here, and it will query google.co.ca and retrieve from there the competition information. And that is another very popular user request. The next feature is that I added a counter down here. So now you know it's analyzing keyword 1 out of 50. And so you can check on the progress of the software. And the last feature I added, it's the ability to sort the results inside of Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer. So now you don't have to go and export the file to Excel or to OpenOffice to sort it. You can sort it in here. So let's open a project that's already done. And now let's say you want to sort it by keyword rating. So you have sorted here, and you see all the amazing here and the great. They are all now sorted in groups. Or you can sort it by competition level. You see, all the very lows are up here, then the lows, and this will make the analyzing process easier for you. And now let's go over the new features added in version 2.2. In this new version, I added two very useful features. The first one is the ability to check a keyword search trend inside Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer. It is crucial to know if a keyword is getting popular, or if it's a thing of the past, or if the keyword is seasonal. That is why I added this feature. So to do that, we're gonna open a project, and you just select whatever number of keywords you want to check the trend for. In this case, we're gonna select 4, and then just hit trends. Okay, this will open a new window, and you just hit start check. Now Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer will go out and retrieve the trend graph from Google, and here you can see these keywords are real stable with a peak around December, so you can get an idea of how these keywords run throughout the year. Okay, the second new feature I added was a very requested one, and is the ability to check for domain name availability. And to do that, we're gonna select some new keywords, but this time we're going to see if we can find domain name of our amazing keywords. So we're gonna choose this one, because they have nice search volume, and this one. Okay, now that you have selected the keywords you want to check for domain name, you just hit domain and hit here start check. Now Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer will go out and check if there's domain available for your keywords. In this case, we can see that we already found some probable domain names here for very good keywords with nice search volume. Okay, so that's the second feature. Before I end this video, I just want to remind you to please read the Cutting Edge Keyword Research Report that came as a bonus with this software. It has real valuable information that will turn you into a master in the art of finding great and amazing keywords to target, keywords that will make you money fast. So don't pass it by just because it was free. It's a real valuable resource, and when you combine it with the Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer, it's almost foolproof. You won't fail in finding keywords to target, keywords that will further you on your online career. Okay, thanks for your time.